finally made it to my hotel room here in Porto, and I'm so excited because this is my first time in Porto. I actually have been to Portugal just a few weeks ago, but I was in Lisboa, and this is my first time in Porto, so I'm really excited. And if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Julie, and I'm actually a flight attendant for one of the major airlines in the United States. And typically I do my best to take you guys with me on my layovers, but occasionally I also do travel-related product reviews. So if this is something you guys are interested in, I suggest you guys hit that subscribe button so that you guys can come with me on my very next layover. Or for the matter of fact, you just stick around now and come with me through Porto, but not before I take a nap, because if you've been around for a while, you know that when I get to my hotel room, I am super exhausted and I definitely need to take a nap. So I see you guys when I wake up. Good morning. Well, of course it's not good morning anymore. It's already 4 p.m. So I slept, but only about 2 hours. But surprisingly, I'm actually pretty refreshed right now. So hopefully that will keep up until we get back tonight to the hotel. And I'm not sure yet what our first stop is going to be. So you guys have to just stick around and see what I get myself into. So genius me, I worked out without my glasses or my contact lenses. So I have to go back to the hotel room. However, my key didn't work, so I had to actually rekey it. I don't know what's going on lately. It's been a lot of times my room key hasn't been working, and I always have to go running back downstairs to get it reactivated. So I just did that. Hopefully this will work this time, and then I can get set, ready to go. Okay, the room key worked. I got my contact lenses in, and I'm all set and ready to finally go and explore Porto, Portugal. Okay, clearly sleeping 2 hours is not enough because I forgot my sweater, so now I have to go back up upstairs again and get my sweater, and then hopefully I will be ready to go and explore Porto. Okay, I got my sweater, and if I forgot anything else at this point, I don't care. It's already 4:30 and I want to go and explore Porto before it gets dark. So for right now, I'm just going to head towards the Porto sign that I saw when we were driving in the bus towards the hotel. And in case you're wondering, that building by the Porto sign is actually the Porto City Hall. Since it is my first time here in Porto, I'm just going to walk around and see how much I can explore. Now, I do want to make my way over to the Douro River, but besides that, I'm just going to play it by ear today. If you don't know anything about Porto, know that Porto is actually known for its beautiful tile. Straight ahead is the Clerigus Church, which is known for its 75-meter tall bell tower. Now you can go inside and climb all those stairs to the bell tower if you like. I'm not going to do that today, maybe next time, but I just wanted to give you that information in case you want to do that. Once upon a time, that building ahead of us was a prison, but in 1997 they turned it into a photography museum. So unfortunately, I cannot tell you where I am right now. However, these views are spectacular. This is just absolutely breathtaking. And you can see all of these people coming up here for the view. So if you guys know what this place is called, let me know in the comments below. And I'm still trying to make my way over to River Douro. I love that people just sit in the parks and picnic. That is so cute. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this is some of the tile work you can find throughout Porto. So we made it to the Douro River, and here are some fun facts. The Douro River is actually the third largest river of the Iberian Peninsula, and it flows through Spain and Portugal. It actually originates in the northern part of Spain until it hits Porto in Portugal, and it spans over 557 miles until it hits the Atlantic Ocean. And if you follow the river to the Douro Valley, you'll find the UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is known for its famous port wine. So I'm currently in Ribeira Square, which is known for all its small restaurants and bars and its nightlife. Straight ahead is Bridge Louis I, and once you cross over, you find yourself in Vila Nova de Gaia. I got these in Lisbon, and oh my god, they were so good. I had to get them again when I saw them here. And of course, you can't go to Porto without having a glass of port. So here are just some fun facts about Louis I Bridge. It spans over 395 meters and is 8 meters wide and 85 meters high. Now it has quickly become one of Porto's icons, which is often called the City of Bridges. And the bridge took actually 5 years to construct, from 1881 to 1886. Okay guys, if I haven't told you already, I think Portugal is starting to be my favorite country. I love Lisbon, but I absolutely love Porto, and I haven't even seen anything of this beautiful city. But I'm trying to go. There is this giant bridge. Do you see that? So I'm trying to find the staircase, which I saw on the other side, because you can go under the bridge and you can go above the bridge. So I already went under the bridge, and now I want to go above the bridge. So I'm trying to find the staircase on the other side to make going back to the other way. And it looks like a lot of stairs. But either way, I love it here. All right, you guys, you see that? That's where I'm trying to go. Oh, and if you ever come to Portugal, these thingies, nata something, oh my god, they're so addictive. You can't just eat one. They're so delicious. Now I know why everybody's telling me to go buy them and get them and eat them, and tons of them, because they're absolutely delicious. Not gorgeous, delicious. So I can't find the stairs, but this seems to be the way up. It's steep, but it's the way up. And if you guys are looking for something fun to do, you can take one of these gondolas and actually go right over the river. I think that would be pretty cool to see that view.
Wait, but that's to go to that way?
Yeah, but we want to just go to the front, no?
So I'm on the Gaia side right now, and just look at the stunning view. How amazing is this? Absolutely love it. And then there is this park right here, and my co-workers told me about it. People just come here, sit, have picnics, drink wine, and watch the entertainment that is provided. So I'm headed towards the Mosteiro da Serra do Pilar, which is a monastery, but it's actually closed. However, the views must be stunning from up here, so I can't wait. It was definitely a hike to get up here, but look at these views, absolutely worth it. I made my way back down, and I'm now actually crossing the bridge above, and I'm actually going to be going back into town center. There are still a few spots I want to check out with you guys. This is the timeout market, which if you guys watched my Lisbon video, we went there as well. However, this is a fraction of the size compared to the one in Lisbon. However, I'm sure the food is going to be just as great, if not even better. So let's go ahead and check it out. And right next door to the timeout market is the bento station, which you can definitely not miss if you are here. I am back at my hotel. I had an amazing day today, and actually downstairs, right as I was headed into my hotel, I ran into the captain and my purser, and the captain asked me if I wanted to have gelato because they already had gelato, so he invited me to also have gelato, and I said yes please because gelato is delicious. And I had strawberry shortcake, and I had Porto tawny, I think it's called, and it was really, really good. And now I'm back in my room, and I'm going to get situated for tomorrow morning because we are getting picked up around 10:25, and then we are headed back to Newark, and that will complete my 24-hour layover here in Porto, Portugal. Now, if you guys like my video, you guys know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure you guys do that as well, so that you guys can come with me on my very next layover. And with that, I say tschüss, bis bald und auf Wiedersehen.